Hi guys. Prepare na kami guys. Uniform na si JP. Go to school na si JP. Say hi guys. Ito yung uniform niya. Pink. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice uniform. Very nice, no? Wow, very good. Oh, mag-socks na ikaw. Okay, mag-let's go na tayo sa school. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, si JP. Sit down. Sit down.
So,
Sit down. Hi guys. Go. Magto ka. Ito po yung uniform ni JP. Pink. Pink? What color? Pink? Pink uniform? Wow, very nice. Socks na. Get your shoes. Shoes. Faster. Yan guys, mautusan ko na rin yun. Bili, bilis. Get down. Bili. JP, no? Go to school na naman si JP, no? Monday to Thursday po yung pasok niya. Tapos Friday, therapy niya. Magti-therapy po ito. O sige na, bye na. Bye.
bye.
Bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye.